Hello friends, very good evening. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Many of them are asking about to join my Telegram channel. So there I am below this video. We have provided the link for that Telegram channel, and also in this video the link where it is scrolling on that, you just type the link on your Telegram app, so you will find out our channel. Right. Recently we made a Bollinger Band breakout, so alert on our Telegram channel that was working good and fine right now. So most of the comment which I have received is to continue that. So I'm not going to stop anything. So it will continue on that channel. And thanks for your full support. And we are reaching more than 4,000 subscribers right now. I'm happy to announce that. And Telegram also we are reaching more than 1,000 subscribers. And this video, what I'm going to discuss, that is about the doji, how it is working now. So that I'm going to discuss here. And some people who are finding out these doji candles on my Telegram channel, and also I made a special video for that also. Only one guy, he messaged me about he was booking at somewhere around 33,000 rupees in a single trade. He was booking 33,000 rupees in a one lot. That is amazing. Based on that, the scanner that we are providing on you free of cost. So you can make use of it, and you can copy our scanners and you can use it for your own, right? We don't restrict any. So these are the patterns which is available in the market. So some people are charging for that. I'm not going to charge anything about my scanners right now. It is a free one. You can use it for your own, right? So as per our said about, or we made a video about the maximum profit potential opportunity, this much of stocks, and I discussed about each and every stock individually, and there is a good opportunity which is present on IndusInd Bank. So let's go to take IndusInd Bank. What happened in IndusInd Bank? Somewhere IndusInd Bank, that is the first of this month, making a doji. The high of the day is 1,112 rupees, and the low for the day is 1,091. So somewhere around exactly 21 point as a stop loss. Where there is a candle, here can we find out the candle. This is a more powerful reversal candlesticks pattern in intraday as well as positional, but we are using the powerful doji candle at this time. So that was giving you such a breakout over that particular point of the level is exactly 1112, right? The candle which is high of the candle is 1112, and the next day itself market breaks the level, right? And but today it reaching and closed above 1168, almost near about 60 point profit in the futures, the 900 lot size. And one of my client who started, and one of my student, he started trading on this pattern, and he find out such a great opportunity about this trade, and he was booking such a great profit of 33,000. I think I was mentioned about on my Telegram channel. There is the candlesticks pattern. Based on that, IndusInd Bank 1120 call option, he was taken 43, and he sold around 80, near about 33,000. He made a profit based on this single candlesticks pattern. And three four times I said these stocks are having potential. And HDFC also, someone who said me yesterday he booked a profit in HDFC Bank. Let's again see what happened. This is called the jackpot trade. Everyone who should agree that the trade where it is giving you jackpot profit, where he taken the position at 43 and he closed by 80, almost double. Such a great profit is based on this single candle alone. Nothing, we are not using any technical indicator, any other parameters we are focusing out. Just simply there is a candle, where previously market is going down and there is a reversal pattern which forms at the lowest level and market reversed. That's it. Wherever we do the trade, there is a stop loss for the trade also. When it is broken the stop loss, we should exit our position. There is a loss also be there. But what happened here? So that was working well and such a great profit of 33,000 and a single trade. It's amazing. Good. Very good. Okay. So and some other trades we did today. So we booked one other trade. Tata Power we booked around 21,700, 21,600 today. This is one of my client and the next client also booking the same profit of 21,600. Today we have provided a call in the Tata Power around 170. So we booked around 21,600 rupees in that. And based on this candlesticks pattern, the client who booked more than 33,000 rupees. And about our previous stocks, Infosys, let's say Infosys, what happened in Infosys based on the same doji candle, and it given a breakout around somewhere around 15 to 20 point it increased. Still the opportunity is there, but it is giving you a buy breakout and still it is what it was in profit, maybe a small profit, but still it was in profit. And the next one, HDFC Bank. So we have taken this by first of this month, right? Within a 5 days that giving you such a great opportunity. In the this one also giving you a breakout around 1588. Now it is trading around 7-8 rupees profit. And SEC is not good, I think, let's say, and it is also broken and it is by a good one. It is a very bottom level. We got a reversal opportunity around 2.5, somewhere around the high is 22258. Now it is trading 634 rupees higher from our entry point. And Nifty it is already yesterday broken and there is no opportunity on Nifty. There is no opportunity gap up and still it is continues the trend. But our entry price is 17,500, but right now the market is 17,830. So but this trade we didn't get any opportunity. And finally IndusInd Bank that we have seen again such a great move, almost to 60 plus points. And finally HCL Technologies, that is also giving a breakout. And yesterday it breaked out, that is 2285. Now it is almost 20 rupees higher from the entry, almost 100% accuracy from that trade where the entry price is triggered. All the stocks giving you such a great profit, and there is a jackpot strategy, jackpot profit available. We should keep the stop loss and we should wait for the target, but immediately it gives you such a profit, so we should book that profit, right? So that is what happening on our candlesticks pattern, that is doji. I have mentioned many points are the same. I made a special video for that also. So those who are following this video, so you can get maximum profit. Even so, when I made a video, it take a 1 hour to make the video and upload into YouTube, but one will make a profit. That is good enough for me, right? And we are making the lot of scanners and screeners to your on our Telegram channel. So make use of it, and after making the profit, if you say share with me, so that will give me even a lot of encouragement to me. Okay, so as per the candlesticks pattern, that almost 50,000 rupees profit. One stock 33,000, another one stock 20,000. But Tata Power we are taken based on our candlesticks, not candlesticks pattern. Based on my option strategy, I have taken. But even if you are focusing out, there is a candlesticks pattern present at here. That is what a spinning top like a candle. Today it broken 172 and it moves towards 184, almost 12 rupees which moved in a stock. So that spinning top which is forms at a higher level, there is a two-way possibilities whether the trend is continue or the trend may going to reverse. But this particular spinning top, the trend is continue. But when we see spinning top candle, we have to compare with previous candle, so to get more confirmation about the trade. I hope this may be useful video to you all. And whenever the doji candle which present at, and if you are focusing now, today we didn't get any doji candle at the bottom level of the market. And some trades which you are taken into yesterday, like Aarti Industries, but now again it is, yesterday we booked a 20,000, but now it is moving higher, 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 and it moves to near about 130 plus. I hope that's about this video. So make use of my scanner, and I am sharing the scanners into my Telegram channel. Every day morning I am posting the videos. That is images of that candlesticks pattern scanners. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you liked it, share to your friends. If you have any question, just comment on my comment box. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.